Hello beautifuls! Today I'll be trying on and reviewing the new M Cosmetics Color Drop Serum Blushes. So if you would like to see, just keep watching. This is actually my first M Cosmetics review video. I did do another M Cosmetics video, but that's more like a full face, not as in-depth video. So if you want to see that, just click the little bubble up top. And I have to say, I started off my first M Cosmetics review video in a really good way because these serum blushes, they're amazing. Spoiler alert, these blushes are amazing. You just have to see for yourself. Just watch this video and you will see for yourself why these blushes are so amazing. These blushes and also her lip cushion are kind of what started my obsession with M Cosmetics, and I have to say I have almost all of her products. I don't have every single shade, but I definitely do have like almost all of her products now, so you guys should subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you'll see upcoming M Cosmetics review videos. I just recently bought her mascara, her new mascara, and I bought two more lip cushions because she just recently came out with 2 different shades. So I'm going to be reviewing it all. I remember back in 2015 when she just started out with the M Cosmetics line, she was talking about like her eyeliner, her illustrative eyeliners a lot, and she was talking about like how she was designing her logo and how she was designing her products. And from 2015, I have been wanting to try her products, and here I am today trying her products, but not only trying them, which is awesome in itself, but I am reviewing them on YouTube, and it feels really, really cool. So today I'll actually be trying out 6 shades from the Serum Blush line. I'll be trying out 4 of her new shades, which are Peachy Peach, Little Lilac, Cherry Splash, and Venetian Rose, one of my favorites, Venetian Rose. And then I'll also be trying out 2 of her previous shades in the colors Sunset Sky and Pink Nectar. So in this video, I am going to show you swatches. I'm going to show you what the shades look like with makeup and without makeup, and at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a tutorial of me using the Venetian Rose Color Drop Serum Blush. These serum blushes retail for $25, and each bottle has 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces. There is a total of 8 beautiful shades, and according to the M Cosmetics website, these blushes offer sheer colors that are buildable. You can apply more product for a deeper color. They are lightweight, luxurious looking, and luxurious feeling blushes that create a youthful and dewy glow to the cheeks. These blushes are also skincare, so it is makeup and skincare in one. It's makeup that you actually should wear every day. They are serums that contain healthy ingredients. Each serum blush has Sacha Inchi oil, which is high in omega-3 fatty acids, squalane, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, to balance the skin, antioxidants such as vitamin E, which help protect the skin from environmental aggressors, and hyaluronic acid, which deeply moisturizes the skin. In turn, every blush should give you youthful, healthy, plump, and bouncy cheeks. They will make your cheeks look healthy and shiny without the glitter and shimmer. Lastly, they're vegan, gluten, and cruelty-free. Of all the ones I need, I'd say are Venetian Rose, Sunset Sky, and Peachy Peach. These are all natural shades that I actually need in my blush collection. Pink Nectar is also a nice pink natural color, but again, it's too light for my complexion. It does look nice, but it's too difficult to work with because I have to apply a lot and my cheek would feel sticky no matter how much powder I apply. First, we have Peachy Peach, which is a true peach shade. This shade looks very natural on the skin, and for deeper tones, it will look like a glow. Next, we have Little Lilac, a lavender pink shade. It's a pastel-like purple. The purple will look more truer on lighter skin tones. It's flattering for every skin tone, especially if you love the color purple. Then we have Cherry Splash. This is a classic red color. I love to pair this color with a simple red lipstick. It's gorgeous and very natural looking on deeper tones. Next, we have Venetian Rose, which is a vintage rose shade. This has to be one of my favorite shades. It's also so natural, and I think it's flattering on a lot of different complexions. It's like a mauve-y pink. Then we have two shades from the previous line. One is Pink Nectar. This is a watermelon pink. It's a classic pink blush shade. I recommend this color to lighter skin tones. It doesn't show up very well on me. And last but not least, or well, I think it is least, so last. Wait, I don't know. Anyways, we have Sunset Sky. This is one of my favorite shades. It's a warm coral color. It looks like a muted orange. It's beautiful and natural looking on every single skin tone. Now I'm going to list why I love these serum blushes. These are so easy to blend and they look so natural, like it's just a part of your skin. They have beautiful, gorgeous colors, and I also love how they look good without makeup. So I like wearing these serum blushes on days that I don't wear any makeup, but I want to feel a little bit more put together, and it works perfectly for that. I find that other blushes most of the time look better when you have a full face of makeup. Also, I'm pretty sure a lot of people can agree that these are gorgeously packaged. The packaging is just so beautiful. It feels magical and mystical, and they can easily be a part of decor. You'll see in this video, we can either make this a dewy look, or with powder, you can transform it into a matte look. We can also use it for our eyes and lips. It actually looks really good on the lips. And the shades are also pretty true to color. I especially love Little Lilac, which is the purple shade, because I find that with purple, well, I've tried one purple blush before, and it was like the same color, but when I applied it to my cheeks, it looked kind of ashy. But I feel like with this Little Lilac, especially if you are lighter tone, it will show up pretty true to color. And then also there's a really nice shine on these blushes. Like it looks dewy, and the shine, I wouldn't say it's quite like a highlight. I would just say it looks like you got really healthy skin. Now, as far as the cons go, if you do apply too much, it will be sticky. So no matter how much powder you apply, it will just feel sticky, and then that stickiness stays on your cheeks for the rest of the day. So I think the M Cosmetics site says that, or not her site, but I think Michelle said herself that it just kind of, it doesn't feel sticky later on. I could be wrong, I'm not sure if she said that, but it's not something that like sinks into your skin and then you just don't feel it for the rest of the day. So I'm really hoping that maybe sometime in the future she can create a formula that will literally sink into your skin and you won't feel any stickiness at all. If you put a little bit and then you apply it with powder, you pretty much won't feel it. But if you put it on bare skin, you will feel it. And so when I am wearing, when I'm not wearing any makeup, I try not to apply too much, and that's how I can get away without it feeling sticky. It's also not a quick and easy product to use. I'm pretty lazy when it comes to makeup, so I like things to be really quick and efficient. This is a product where you have to kind of get the hang of using the applicator, and I'm really hoping that she changes the applicators in the future because it almost feels like a trick to use it. So this is it. for my completed look, I just added some eyeliner, falsies, and a little bit of highlight and some powder, as you guys saw earlier. And I'm liking it. What do you guys think? I really love this monochromatic look. And I especially love how I'm able to transform it from dewy to matte just by applying powder over it. I really love how I applied the powder over my eyes, and it really made it more into like a eyeshadow. So yeah, as you could see, you could just go to town with all these colors. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I will be doing a lot more M Cosmetics review videos. And honestly, well, I've only done 2 kind of so far M Cosmetics videos, and I'm really enjoying it. I just really love these M Cosmetics products. I get really passionate when I talk about it because I like them a lot, and it's also really fun being able to support a fellow content creator. Even just supporting Michelle is awesome because you could tell how much care she puts into her products, and when she promotes her products, it just like makes you want to buy it. Like, you instantly feel like it's going to be a genuinely good product, and you just instantly want to buy it, especially considering how much care she puts into designing her product. And even the fact that she's like letting us in on the whole process of it is also really exciting. So I'm just really happy to be able to support her. But anyways, again, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see all of you guys in another video. Bye!
I can't help but fall in love with you. I can't help but love the way you move. I can't help